So Lega and Lazarus found out about each other's secrets on the same day. So Lega got a link of Lilian and Lazarus kissing in her house, while Lazarus also found out about Mawetu and Zoleka. Lilian and Sydney clash, and Likamva finally asked Uze out on a date. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Inimba. So Zoleka was just chilling in Lini. She gets a link, an SMS or an email of a link, and she opens it, and it's actually the video of Lazarus and Lilian kissing in her house, Nohale. And the video has been edited because now the kiss is longer. The actual one wasn't that long. Lazarus pushed Lilian very early on, but this one is long. Obviously, it was edited to obviously cause a disruption between their relationship. So Naga loses it and realizes that hi man shoot means their house is back. Obviously, someone Lilian has been watching them all this time. And she starts panicking, moving around the house, and then she realizes how long has this been going on. Lazarus is out in a meeting in Palette, and he meets Ligamva and tells him this is organized for him to meet or to have a day at the company, the pharmaceutical company that he's been arranging for him to get a job in. Ligamva is super excited and says he will cancel everything just to make it to avail himself and go have that day in that company. And then Lazarus gets a call from Uzolega. Uzolega did not even waste time. Esabam before net hey standwa at Kauzendlin, Kaulez Uzendlin. Lazarus can sense something is off. Lazarus get alayele gugu Ligamva and goes home, running. He runs home. And when he gets home, Uzolega is all over the place searching in Luga, Nesariga Bavumile. Searching and trying to find out what is it exactly that was bagged. She's suspecting the teddy bear that Lilian got for Ubavumile. Starts searching. Lazarus arrives saying what's wrong, what's going on. So like I'm when I got Lilian sent me the video of you two kissing. Lazarus was shocked with how come, because he never thought the house was bagged. And then are you denying it? At no there was a kiss, but then I pushed it. It doesn't seem like that on the video. I was so calm about it, like so mature, so demure, like the lady that she is. Lazarus, but then they realized it was probably edited to make it sort of like to actually spark a conversation or a disruption in their relationship. And then Lazarus starts realizing it means their house is back because probably through Wi-Fi. And then they realized how Wi-Fi it has to be someone the weakest link in the house, because obviously Kau would not do it. So they realized it has to be Daphne. So they took out all the gifts Lilian bought. Asked Daphne a question with Daphne about this whole did she get something, a link or something? Daphne agrees. It means she did get a link, and she was excited, thinking and then she later realized into a kariki scam. Uzolega was going on at her saying why would you think you want something while you did not even enter a raffle? Jackpot. Lazarus came up, stood up for her saying she didn't know my love make. Ngapha is there, trying to sort of like get rid of the bag, whatever it is, get rid of the bridge. And Uzolega was so grateful. I'm grateful you are here and helping us. Finally, there's someone that I can trust, because I got some time Lazarus since Lazarus is out there kissing with Lilian, and saying to Mawetu she's grateful because Mawetu what she is doing is below his pay grade. Lazarus was like, this guy is always like willing to do anything for you. Sort of like is suspecting that there's something going on. Cantivele, whatever is going on is going to reach him very soon. He then gets a link. He opens the link, and it's actually that footage of Uqawe Nozetu talking about Umawake being Frama Chips Nozolega, meaning saying Lazarus doesn't know Zolega has been sleeping with Umawetu. And then now it's equal. Now, Bazo, I wonder how this is going to go about, because Uzolega has just found out about him kissing Lilian, and now he and Isakriteke and Umawetu is out. Lazarus is going to be shattered when I don't know if they're going to survive this chaos. Now, Lilian is distracted. She's all over the place because she said about everything that Lazarus was saying. Zoleka is thousand times the woman that she'll ever be. And so she goes to Sydney. So early in the morning, Uhlenge was not happy, he was not impressed about that. But at least Sydney stood up for his wife, saying, hey, don't talk to my wife like that. And then Lilian tells Sydney, I lost it and I sent the video to Zoleka at Wenzeni, and then she decides she's going to leave, skip the country because she doesn't want to be around for them to see they work together. And then Ligamba finally asks Zethu out on a date. Apparently they're going on a date on Wednesday night. And cousin Gega Sonjika Mawethu sees Onga dining a palette and goes over there, talk to him, ask him about the food and what. This is the Onga that took Sebenzi Mawethu. As he sits down with him to talk, to chat, and then he realizes this is the guy that works as Crusella. Actually, the guy who stole Msebenzi Mawethu is shocked with how Mfowethu really wanted that job. And then as they chat, and then kufika uqhawe noZethu, and they're busy talking. Ubona vele ukuthi uOnga is smitten uqhawe because now he's not even focusing on conversation yakhe na this guy. Is now watching or looking at Qhawe, and they're busy maintaining eye contact because uZethu no Qhawe, they're just busy talking about date yakhe that's coming with Ulikamva. And uQhawe, when she saw Onga, they started locking eyes, and now this guy now sees how this is true, man, this is real. He saw the connection between uQhawe and Onga, and obviously he's going to go and tell Umawethu about it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.